Hey everyone, it's Jim from Meltone Amps, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to prep the secondary side of the transformer. And it doesn't matter what voltage region you're in, whether it's 120 volts AC or 240 volts AC mains, or somewhere in between. Well, not in between, but you know what I mean. The secondary wiring is identical. So the first thing you may have noticed is that we actually have a filament supply in the secondary, because this is a transformer we use for a lot of our kits, and in the Rocket's case we need a filament supply. So we use the same transformer for a number of configurations. So we don't need these wires at all, but because at some point this transformer may be salvaged or repurposed, we don't want to cut them off so short. So what I like to do is I like to bring them roughly to where they'll get buried in the wire bundle, and then I cut them back. Just like this. That's good wire, so I'm going to throw that over into my wire tub. We don't need to strip anything because we're basically making these wires safe. Now, so these are both hot legs, and this is the center tap. So what we could do to even make this safer is we could bring the ground back just a little bit, and somewhere in between we could bring one of the hot legs so they actually are not at the same position. And then we're going to take a bunch of little bits of the small shrink and just cap them basically. That's a little small. Let's go a little bit bigger. There we go. That's why there's extra shrink in every kit. So just go ahead and work that over the edge. If it's not going on that well, just open the shrink up a little bit. Don't get it hot though, whatever you do. And there it goes. Okay. That's on. I'll do the same for the two white ones. We'll get them shrunk, and then we'll get the bundle shrunk. Okay, I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so after I hit it with the heat gun and shrunk them, I actually pinched off the ends, so you can see actually how much we've got them nice and safe. And then I'm going to get a good length of the next size up. And I'm not going to worry about the return wire. I'm just going to tuck these two white wires in like that. And I'll get that shrunk on as well, and then we're safe. We're almost done, actually. Okay, so we've got the pair of blue wires. That's our secondary high voltage. We've got them nice and twisted, just like we did over on the primary side. And now we're going to take our remaining piece of flat shrink, the one that we cut in half, and we're just going to load it. We're going to bury these wires. Notice how there's enough wire now that you could put these back in service with a simple splice. And we're going to get that wire tucked right up into here, and that's just going to be fine just like that. I'm not going to worry too much about that. Let's take a look and see. Oh yeah, we've got lots and lots of shrink closing that off, so we're good. Okay, so go ahead and get that shrunk, and I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so that's what your secondary side should look like. Now we are not going to pre-cut the blue wire. We're going to actually cut it in place. It's a lot easier to get it to a good dimension once it's installed, and it's just going to be a stripped end that's tinned for the connection to the blue junction. So there's no need to prep it now. That's as far as we need to go. Okay, well done everyone. What's next?